everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my February Fairyloot unboxing. I got my January Fairyloot box like beginning of February, and I unboxed it off camera. I didn't feel like I needed to do an unboxing since it came pretty late. My February box came a little late too, but I think it was to be expected because since February only had like 28 days in the month, normally I get it around like the 30th anyways, before the end of the month. So today's obviously March 1st. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what this what February's theme is. So if you want to see what I got in the February box, then please keep on watching. This is the spoiler card. It's very pretty. It's giving me very, I don't know, goddess, moon goddess vibes, and the theme is to the moon and back. That was the February theme, and I love it. This is also, I think I said this is a spoiler card, so I'm gonna put this to the side and we'll look at this a little later. Right, the first thing we're pulling out is a pretty big item. It feels like it could probably be like a bag. That's what I'm guessing it's gonna be. Yep, it is a tote bag. This is my first official bookish tote bag, and this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I don't know why it's giving me very Mulan vibes, like really, but I could be completely off. Obviously, I don't think it would be that. It is, I don't know what fandom this is from. I can't figure it out, but we'll find that out at the very end. It's pretty big, and it's very, like, the material is very sturdy, so I think it's definitely good quality. I am here for it. I love the design. I love the artwork. It's really pretty and colorful. Definitely will be using this whenever I go like book shopping to carry my books in. The next item I'm pulling out is a pair of socks. My first bookish pair of socks, and I am a sock person. This is from the Starless Sea. This is designed by Jezza. Which these are really cute. These actually will match the little headband that I have that I got in my Fae Crate box. Jumping into the next item, this is Crescent City Pendant. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Oh my god, it's a little crescent moon. Oh, I am obsessed. I'm freaking obsessed. That's what that looks like. Oh yeah, I'm definitely going to be wearing this a lot. I love that, and it feels like it's decent quality. It's not heavy at all, but nonetheless, like, it's my first, oh no, not my first official Sarah J mask, because I did get something from the Throne of Glass series. It was a lunchbox that I got in one of my other bookish boxes. But this is my first official jewelry, and I'm obsessed because it's from Crescent City. And since the second book just came out, definitely going to be wearing this. I love it. The next item I have here are these heavy bookends, which I don't own any bookends, but I'm glad I own some now. These are fandom from Moon. Oh, nope, they're no fandom, at least not on the little tag. It just says Moon Bookends. And they're actually really cute. So definitely on theme with everything else. It's very moon-esque. I love this. These are so cute. I don't know how I would use these because my bookshelves don't really require bookends because my bookshelves are pretty full. But I definitely will place these somewhere. I love them. They're really pretty. All right, so we have King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. This is the King of Pentacle card. This is the Queen. I do not know what fandom this is from, but we definitely will find out here in a while. I don't know. I could not even guess as to what book these come from. These characters come from. So we will find out. And then lastly, we have this beautiful art card with a moon in the back, a fox. I think this is from Wicked Fox. That's what I'm gathering because of the, what is it, the 9-tail fox? I don't even know, 6 tails? I think it's 6 tails, I don't know. I haven't read that book yet, but I do plan on reading it sometime this year. I just don't know exactly when, but I think that's what this is from. So here we have the book, and I'm going to get all the goodies from inside. Here we have the beautiful art card. Oh my gosh, that's really gorgeous. It has a girl with an arrow and a dragon as well. That's really pretty. And then also it has the author letter on the back. I love this. This is really pretty actually. Definitely like warrior princess vibes, or warrior in general. Love that. And then we have the Fairyloot bookmark. So pulling the book out. Hopefully I don't have it backwards. Daughter of the Moon Goddess. I had a feeling it was going to be this one actually. And I had high hopes it would be because I've been seeing this book everywhere, and I'm glad that Fairyloot sent it to me so I don't have to buy it. It's a retelling inspired by the Mid-Autumn Legend. Ooh, that sounds cute. Epic, romantic, and enthralling. I love this book. That was a blurb by Stephanie Garber. There's other blurbs in the back. Now it has beautiful sprayed edges. That is stunning. It's like a purpley blue with the stencil. And it got artwork. That is gorgeous. I love the white and golds. I think it's like a rose gold actually. The white and rose gold foiling. It's really pretty, stunning, gorgeous. And then we have the author's signature. So this is by Sue Lin Tan. And here's the back of the art. There are many legends about my mother. Raised on the moon, Exian was unaware she was being hidden from the celestial emperor, who exiled her mother for stealing the elixir of immortality. But when her magic flares and Exian's existence is discovered, she is forced to flee her home, leaving her mother behind. Alone, powerless, and afraid, Exian makes her way to the celestial kingdom, a land of wonder and secrets. In disguise, she trains alongside the emperor's son, mastering archery and magic despite the passion which flames between them. To rescue her mother, Exian embarks on a quest, confronting legendary creatures and vicious enemies. But when forbidden magic threatens the kingdom, Exian must challenge the ruthless emperor, leaving her torn between losing all she loves or plunging the realm into chaos. So I don't know if I'm saying the main character's name right. I didn't even Google to see how to pronounce it, but it is what it is. That's real life me. I don't script. I just dive in head first, but it sounds really interesting. Definitely will put this somewhere on my TBR. Don't know exactly when, but definitely want to get this book read sometime this year. We'll figure it out. But yeah, now we're gonna jump into where everything came from, or who created it, and the inspiration from each item. Oh wait, before that, we'll jump into the Fairy Scoop. It has the author interview on this side, and then it has what the this edition we'll be seeing with this edition, like how different it is from the original. Next month's theme is Threads of Fate. Just like that. And then also it has like the photo challenge down here for Instagram, so that's cool. Spoiler card, Starless Sea Socks designed by Jez Hawk. Crescent City necklace designed by Team Fairyloot, so it's a Fairyloot exclusive, which is so cool. Wicked Fox art print that was designed by Scent_draws. The Moon Goddess tote bag. Okay, so I should have clicked from the characters and then on the bag, and then the characters that are like on the cover itself under the dust jacket. So it's inspired by Daughter of the Moon Goddess. The tote is inspired by the book of the month, and that was designed by Rosie Thorns 88. And then the Celestial Bookends designed by Jens Hawk as well. Tarot cards of the month. They are inspired by Red Rising, and they are Mustang and Darrow. So I've never read the Red Rising series at all, but I don't know if I ever will, to be honest. I'm definitely keeping this art card. It's really pretty. I'm keeping everything in this box. Favorite item I would have to say is the necklace, because it's from Crescent City and I adored that book so much. And least favorite item, if I had to pick anything, I don't know, it's hard. I guess the bookmark, just to say it. I mean, I love the bookmark, but I loved this entire box. I don't have a least favorite. It was all right on point. So I am obsessed with everything. I'm happy with everything. Can't wait to get March's box in. If I do sound a little like mellow, it's because I'm struggling with allergies and I don't want to be coughing or whatever here on my video. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. Hopefully it was very chill and relaxing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.